Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial with software design. Today I want to teach you how to design a simple magazine cover. Then you go to, this is an A3 selected page. Let's turn this to landscape as you can see. Then we'll set our rulers first. This is a division of the paper. Then you set rulers, rearrange like this. You set rulers, pick from here, select. These are called grid. This grid are used to arrange your details so that they don't fall off. This they call this in printing. These are bleeding areas. After the work is printed, these edges are trimmed off. So we arrange it like this, and then this is the cover page. This is the cover page. Cover. This is the front. This is the front. Then this is the back. This is the back page. So let's start our design. First, the resources. Let's bring in our resources. Let's go. This is our resource file. These are the pictures we're going to be using respectively. Let's paste. This is a picture. This is the second one. Okay, create a rectangle to start your design. This is it. Let's create, duplicate the particular rectangle like that. Readjust it. Let's group, press P for it to align. Ensure that it is at the edge, as you can see from here. Come rearrange, we rearrange like this. Now let's start our design. Pick, this is our background which we'll be using. We'll now drop. So right now, click your background. This is, and readjust like this. Remove. Strive to remove it. Strive to remove your background. So from here, we'll be using these pictures. Let's try to scale the pictures to readjust it. And we have a concept idea. We'll bring this to life. We're trying to make a circular path like this. So click these images of these children into the cycle, and then we'll discover that there are blockage, like the edges here are not blocking, and the moment you tend to increase the size of the pictures, it will distort the images. So let's drag it a bit. Let's drag it. Drag another one. Yes, it has aligned. So let's give it an outline. So an outline of, let's say, this is okay. Let's change it to white. Let's take this one down a bit. For this hoop, we want to see this hoop very clearly. And then let's make a shadow here. Shadow effect. We'll make it be very bit small. We'll click inside. The name of the organization is Spring. Then from here, the name of the organization is, let's Ctrl A. Then this is Spring of Hope. Spring of Hope. That is the organizational name. Let's get their logo. So for Spring of Hope, this is, let's remove this part. This is the logo of the organization. The Spring of Hope. Let's centralize this. Centralize it to align perfectly. Let's readjust it. So from here, we'll keep the logo by the top left corner, and then you try to place the design to suit. Let's align it by pressing Ctrl L. You select and press L. Select all and press L. Then it aligns together like that. So bring down these images like this. From here, you can readjust it. Readjust. Let's take it down a bit at this point. So let's demarcate the logo. Let's demarcate the logo here. Then give it a white outline for the logo. And then for the back, we'll just duplicate the logo. Duplicate like this, scale it a bit. Then we'll give it, let's cut by pressing Ctrl X, double click here and paste in. Then bring the middle. Then bitmap this logo. As you bitmap them, from transparency, increase the transparency a bit for it to fit. Let's delete this text off. Let's delete the text. Delete it. Then from here we can just copy this background, paste behind. We'll just make it to let it have a consistency. Then by cropping it, we'll just crop. Let's have a consistency flow. Press Alt on your keyboard and select the power click object inside. Drag, readjust. Then from here, let's pop out these images. These are the most important. Then give it shadow. From here, give it, select this and also give it a shadow like this. Then readjust it for it to blend. Then click finish. Let's delete this. Scale it a bit.